Dear students, today we will learn problems on transformations. In previous class, we learned formulas and some problems. And today we will know some more problems by using transformations. On completion of this period, you would be able to solve problems on transformations. Recap. We will recall the formulas once again. These formulas are very important, so as much as repeat is possible, you can repeat it or by heart it or remember it, because very important formulas uses or applies we will apply it everywhere. So listen and remember and write 10 times each formula. Sin c plus sin d equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. And sin c minus sin d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. C minus d by 2 is a little bit moved from sin, but it is not correct. It should be near the sin, like cos. So here sometimes technically or preparing presentation, sometimes it may looks like that, but actually sin is its angle includes, that means near. We should not give the gap like this, and we should write like this third form: cos c plus cos d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d equals to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. We know that 2 sin a cos b equals to sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a sin b equals to sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a cos b equals to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. 2 sin a sin b equals to cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So problems. First question: if a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees, then prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equals to 4 into sin a into sin b into sin c. Here if you observe the question, LHS is in the form of summation and RHS is in the form of product. So summation is changed as a product. This is a transformation. So the condition is a plus b plus c equals to 180. Then a plus b equals to 180 minus c. So write and take sine both sides. Then sine 180 minus c, we can write sine c. Apply cos as you apply sine. Then cos of 180 minus c equals to minus cos c. Now take LHS and use the formula sin c plus sin d for first two terms of the LHS. Then it will, after applying the formula, it will like this: 2 sin of a plus b cos of a minus b plus sin 2c. Use sin 2c formula, that is sin 2a formula, 2 sin a cos a. In place of a, assume it is c. So we write 2 sin c cos c. Here left side sin of a plus b. In place of a plus b we can write 180 minus c. So it is becomes 2 sin c. And take common 2 sin c from both the terms, and it would be like this. And in place of cos c we can write 180 minus of a plus b. So after that it will become 2 sin c of cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, if we apply the formula we get 2 sin a sin b. So multiply with the 2 sin c, we get the RHS. that is 4 sine A, sine B, sine C. Come to the next problem. In a triangle ABC, show that cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C equals to minus of 1 plus 4 cos A, cos B, cos C. See the solution. In a triangle means A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. We already know sum of three angles is 180. So A plus B equals to 180 minus C. If we apply the cos, we can write like cos of A plus B equals to minus cos C. Now take the LHS and apply cos C plus cos D formula for first two terms, and in the last right side term apply, or third term apply the cos 2A formula, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 cos square theta means here C, so 2 cos square C minus 1. After applying, see here in the right side the 2 is wrongly printed, because cos 2C means 2 cos square C minus 1, not divided by 2. This divided by 2 is comes to the first term. Okay, so here the print is not properly came, so you can see the next step, then you will get understand. So 2 to get cancelled in the cos of first term, 2A plus 2B by 2 means if we take 2 common, then we have A plus B, like this A minus B also. And after that, in place of A plus B we can write 180 minus C, then we have minus cos C. So next take minus 2 cos C common from both the terms, then we have cos of A minus B minus cos C. In place of C we can write 180 minus of A plus B, then we get plus cos of A plus B. Because already negative sign is there, 180 minus is second quadrant, it not lies in the cos in second quadrant, so again minus comes, minus into minus plus. And here again apply the formula of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. You will get 2 cos A cos B. Substituting and multiplying we get, and if we take the common minus common from both the terms, we get the RHS. Next question. If A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees, then prove that cos A plus cos B plus cos C equals to 1 plus 4 into sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So here RHS is in the form of submultiple angles. So take the condition, that is A plus B plus C equals to 180 and divided with 2 on both sides, then we get A by 2 plus B by 2 equals to 90 minus C by 2. Then apply the cos, then we get cos of A plus B by 2 equals to sin C by 2. Now take LHS and use the formula of cos C plus cos D. Then in place of cos of A plus B by 2 we can write sin C by 2, and cos C means we can write 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2, because not it is only cos C. If cos 2C we can write only sin square C. It is only C means here we should write C by 2. So after substituting, if we take the common 2 sin C by 2, we have like this, cos of A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. And in place of C we can write A plus 180 minus A plus B, 90 minus A plus B. Then 90 means sign changes as a cos, so here you can see it is converted as a cos of A plus B by 2. And after formula, that is cos C minus cos D, we get 2 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2. That is, if we multiply with 2 into 2 4. So this is the RHS. In this lesson you have solved trigonometric identities using transformations. Now it is quiz. So there are based on formulas sin x plus sin y. So the answer is B. Second, sin 2a minus sin 2b. So answer is A. Next, some questions are given for you. These questions are came in exams previously. So practice and improve your doing problems or capabilities as fast as, and your doing problem means you will remember the formulas, because everywhere you have to use the formulas. So listen and open PPT separately and video separately, then you can overcome the screen clarity problem. And if you have any doubts, mail me or ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.